What's up, guys? I'm back in the same good old shop I built all my SS Camaros in and started on my ZL1, didn't get very far, but I'm back. And look, I just got out my ice bath. Whoo, that was refreshing. I love it. Ice bath today keeps all your problems and your stress and body pain away. Anyway, look, we got some things to figure out here, guys. All right, so I'm coming back. And I plan to come back better than ever. I'm either going ZL1 again, and I'm finna build the shit out of it. Built, not bought. We built, not bought over here, baby. We finna do it all in the garage, on film, everything we do. If not, we're going to the other garage and we're putting it on a lift and we're doing it there. So look, that's what's about to go down, and I need y'all's help. ZL1 Camaro, and we're gonna do it like that. Start over again, build it from scratch. And I'm talking about build, it's about 950 horsepower. That's about max I want. I don't really want to go over that. And I want a daily driver, so it's going to be a clean, smooth build with Prey Performance, and a couple other guys. So either that or CT5 Blackwing, a 2025 CT5 Blackwing. And I may not go 2025. And I'm going to tell you why. Simply because, and I'll do a video on this if I get it. Believe it or not, the 2022 models and up are a little bit faster, just a little bit faster. They're not much, but they are a little bit faster. I know it sounds crazy. The newer ones have a little bit more horsepower, I think. But I know for a fact the older ones are a little bit faster. The one of them tops out at 205 or 204, and one of them tops out at 200, which is the new one. The new one tops out at 200, which we're not too worried about top speed. We do roll races. But that ain't my goal here. We do roll races all the time. We get all the entertainment for everybody. We want everybody to see what they want to see on this channel. I do. But my main thing is drag racing. We at the drag strip, baby. We grudge racing. We racing. We at the drag strip. Even if we ain't racing for no money, we racing. We getting content in. We're gonna be doing rolls. We're gonna be all out in Texas 2K. We're gonna do all that stuff. We're gonna do a lot of roll racing, and we're gonna be set up for both. We ain't just gonna be set up for one or the other. We're going to be able to set up for both, So anyway, that's the thing. Vote. Need you to let me know. Fill them comments up. I'm still getting comments to this day. To this day, I'm getting comments every single day about where I'm at, when I'm coming back, what's going on, whatever. Still getting comments on my channel. So that means I know I need to get back to it. I haven't posted in so long. I've gotten demonetized. So y'all got to help me out. Y'all got to help me out, get back monetized, and get back going. I need to know what y'all want to see, what the viewers want to see. Y'all want to see another Camaro SS? I'll even go down SS and I'll supercharge it. Or whatever. Y'all want to see SS? Y'all want to see ZL1? Or do y'all want to see that CT5 Blackwing? Because that's the options. I don't really have another car that I just desire to get unless I go GTR or something. But, that's getting totally off of the whole Camaro wave and changing my channel and all that again, and I really don't plan on doing that. I really want to get another Ghost ZL1, another white ZL1, Ghost ZL1, get my channel back going since these idiots in Chicago stole my car. By the way, they don't want to cover it. Yes, it has still not been paid for. They don't want to cover it. It's ridiculous. So anyway, that sucks. So that, $80,000 car that don't even get paid for, or $80-something thousand car, anyway. Plus, I've been locked in. I've been on my grind. I've been really hustling. And for those of you that aren't entrepreneurs, you don't know. But for those of you that are, the journey is not for the weak, especially in big business when you're dealing with the kind of money and the kind of scale of business that I've been dealing with over the last couple of years. It has been hell. It's been really hard. And we've run into a lot of issues, a lot of problems, made a lot of money, but it's been not necessarily so worth it. But anyway, I've been hustling long enough, been grinding long enough. It's time to get back active. It's time to get back in the game. I'm ready to go. Vote, run it up. Tell me what y'all want to see, and we gonna go get it. One more business tip for all my entrepreneurs out there that are kind of like me, that are hustlers, that like the cars, they got to hustle to get them, that are not in just day jobs and stuff like that, guys. Partnerships sink ships. That's my one piece of advice. If you're going to do a partnership, it'll come naturally. It'll flow naturally. Luckily, I have a godly golden business partner now, and we're only going up from here. And we're going to make things work, and things are going to be great. Now, back to the car situation. We're about to do it. I appreciate you guys for staying here, for staying tuned in, for supporting the channel as much as y'all have. That got me monetized in the beginning, that ran up all these views. I looked at all my view count. We're almost to 1 million on just this channel. It's pretty sweet. business can make you smoke cigarettes. But anyway, yeah, we're coming back. I appreciate you guys. Thank y'all for watching this video. Thank you for supporting. We're coming back. You tell me what y'all want, and that's what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna put on this channel. Whatever gets the most votes, that's what we're coming with next. And I'm gonna do a lot more on this channel. I'm gonna get a lot more active with it. I'm gonna do giveaways. I'm gonna do contests. I'm gonna do all of that stuff. I'm gonna invite people to hang out. I'm gonna invite people to, I want to get in with you guys. I want to come race my cars with you guys. I want to race the public. I want to do challenges on YouTube and come bring my car out and come race when I'm ready. The whole 9 yards. Just hang out, get some content. All the 9 yards, all above. So run it up. Let's see what we get, and let's get active, guys. It's go time.